Hello, lovely learner. Welcome to my lessons on text files, lesson 11. And this is a solution to activity 4. I just want to quickly go through what activity 4 required you to do. So here, you had to add a new vehicle to the file. You had to get the user to input the data for the vehicle, and you had to add a new vehicle to an existing file. Let's take a look at the Delphi coding. Okay, so all I have done is I've added a T button, and my caption is add vehicle to file. Let's look at the coding for appending data to a file. I've created a variable called tFile of data type text file. I've created string variables sLine, sMake, and sColor. I've created an integer variable for the model, and I've created a double variable for price. Now these are the variables that I'm going to enter data using an input box. So I created 4 variables for that data. I'm now checking if the file exists. If the file does not exist, I'm displaying an error message and exiting the program. If the file exists, I'm assign file, tFile to qualitycars.txt. I'm using append. Append will allow me to add data to an existing file. The file already exists. The next 4 lines of code, I'm using an input box, and all I'm doing is I'm getting values and storing it into variables. That will allow me to now create my string and add to that the delimiter semicolon and the delimiter. I'm storing it in a string variable called sLine, and then in this line of code I'm writing data to the file by using writeLin, which is a procedure, and I'm sending it to my file. I'm then closing my file, and I've gotten a user-friendly message stating that the data successfully written to file. Let's run this program and see how it works. Okay, so if I click on the add vehicle to file, I want to enter a new vehicle, which was the Audi A4 again. Okay, and the year or the model was 2020, and the color that was given for me to do as my test case was white, and the amount, the price given was 700,000. Click on OK. Data successfully written to file. OK. Okay, so I am going to open the file. And the data has been successfully written to the file. Thank you, learners, for listening. Stay inspired, stay motivated, and you can download the source files and questions done on PowerPoint. Just go to the link either on description or in the About section and click on the link, and you'll be able to download all my resources for text files. Follow me on my next lesson.